game targeting.
Well, I'm not a gambling man, but I'd be happy to put a shit ton of money on the fact that anybody that comes to Pi with a blown up CRF is not going to find anywhere other than me that could put a big bore kit on it by 11 o'clock before I've even had a glükshiezen. So, proof of the pudding. Does it start? Will it start?
Yeah, it's done.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Primed. Fire in the owl. Yeah. Who's the fucking man in this tank? We are. Back on the road. That ain't going nowhere though.